Today we are going to talk about a very important subject in the electrical field, wiring and protection. The most common protection found in the residential setting today is the breaker and fuses. Although the most common protection found today in homes is the breaker, back in the days when I was growing up was the regular good old plug fuse, which was the most common fuse used in the residential field. But today is seldom used. Most of the protection we get today comes from breakers. In a home you will usually find the main breaker, and after the main breaker come the branch circuit breakers. Knowing how to size and assign branch circuit breakers is critical, and we will touch this subject matter in the near future. Breaker come in different sizes, frame, sensing modes, and poles. We use different wiring configurations for different applications, such as home lighting, home phone charging, and an electrical stove. All these devices have different requirements and different wiring configurations. For the home we use breakers. Breakers come in different types and in different sizes. We have regular breakers, ground fault breakers, and arc fault breakers. For example, an electrical stove will most likely work on 208 or 240 volts. This application will require a 2-pole breaker, and the requirements have to be calculated as per the NEC code by a licensed electrician, because there are several factors to consider when choosing the right electrical protection. For example, a room might require an arc fault breaker. A kitchen might require a GFCI breaker, or a combination of both. And yes, there are GFCI, AFCI type breakers. Pools have specific grounding, bonding, and breakers requirements that are designed to avoid injury and or life-threatening situations. NEC Code Book Chapter 2 talks about wiring and protection, and this includes Article 200, Use and Identification of Grounded Conductors, Article 210, Branch Circuits, Article 215, Feeders, Article 220, Branch Circuit, Feeders, and Service. Load Calculations, Article 225, Outside Branch Circuit and Feeders, Article 230, Services, Article 240. Overcurrent Protection, Article 250, Grounding and Bonding, Article 280, Surge Arresters, over 1000 volts, Article 285, Surge Protective Devices SPDs. 1000 volts or less. Don't worry if you don't understand these articles in detail. We will discuss them in detail in my upcoming California Journeyman Electrician Study Guide in this channel.